core Java only, we can develop only standalone application. Okay. What is a standalone application? An application that cannot be accessed from remote computer via internet. What is internet application? An application that can be accessible from remote computer via internet. Next, in short words, what I can say, a single computer, single user application is standalone application. A multi-user, multi-computer application is internet. If I develop a business application using standalone, can we have a customers and can we have business throughout the world? No. Only we can have the customers who are coming to our shop. But without bringing the customers to our shop, we want to go to the customer's house. Then what I require? Internet application. Okay, done. So last class we understood very important. Tell me, browser is a standalone application or internet application? Standalone application, because I installed in my system and I open it from my desktop. So it is a standalone application. Using standalone application browser, I can access internet application, amazon.in. I can access. Who is internet here? Amazon is internet, but not browser. Tell me, is it a mobile application? Look at here. Is it a mobile application? Yes or no? This is mobile application. When you open Amazon in your mobile, this is the view, na? So tell me, what is mobile application generally? It's nothing but a browser with front end page. One application, one browser with front end page is mobile application. Now tell me, another browser window I am opening. Another browser window. This is another browser. Okay, and here I am typing, let's say, Instagram.in. I already log in Instagram. I don't. Tell me now. Now Instagram opening up. Sorry, something open. Tell me now. What is this Instagram page? Mobile application. Okay, so what is a mobile application? Browser with home page of the application is what? Mobile application. Clear my point? So why mobile applications are invented? Because open the browser in the small keypad, typing all the URL, typing all the details. It's a very difficult or not? That's why they have invented mobile application. For each internet application, the client front-end page application is given as a separate app. Okay, so that is what mobile application. So tell me, mobile applications are divided into two parts. Number one, client application. Number two, server application. You are downloading, installing in your mobile is what application? Client or server? Client. The client application is standalone application and backend available server program is internet. Okay. So this is all the topics we discussed in last class. So today we want to proceed with new points. Okay. Everyone remember, understood, right? Any of you newly joined today? Offline students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Online students, use chat window. Don't use raise hand button. When will regular class start? Hey, what is the heading, Ra? What question you are asking, Vamsi? What is your syllabus, man? When will regular classes start? What is your syllabus, Vamsi? What do you mean by regular class? You joined Java. This is Java class only. No, I'm not teaching Telugu, Hindi. No. Okay. So, whatever the classes happened, these points are already yesterday streamed as part of demos in our YouTube. Okay. Go to nareshit.com, open YouTube app, search for nareshit.com, and I mean Naresh IT, just Naresh IT, and then you will find the video, you can watch it. Clear my point? Right. After going to home, you learn. Today, to understand today class, yesterday class knowledge is not at all required. Yesterday what happened? Knowledge is not required. Okay. So just have these points in your mind. Oh, 4 points completed. These 4 points, yesterday video is available in Naresh IT. So just open Naresh IT YouTube channel and the first video or second video you watch. Session 4 will be there. Okay. Now today we are going to understand what is a platform, what is a platform dependency, what is a platform independency. Okay, let's start. Have you come across a word platform in your life? Have you come across a word called platform? Yes or no? No. Where? Where you heard the word platform? Ma? Railway platform, bus platform, inka mobile platform. What is your mobile platform? Android mobile, iOS mobile. Okay. What is your platform? Java module or Java platform, Python platform, .NET platform. What is the platform? Platform is nothing but, what is a platform? Platform is nothing but an environment, a place. Platform is nothing but an environment, nothing but a place where, where our program is, where our program is loaded, and then what? Executed, loaded, executed, and will produce what? Output. So what is a platform? A platform is an environment in which a program is loaded, executed, and produce output. Is called what? Platform. Okay, tell me, if you want to execute a program, if you want to execute a program, compulsory we require a software or not? To execute the software, we need a hardware or not? So what is a platform? A platform is a software only platform or hardware only platform or both software and hardware platform. So tell me first point, what is a platform? A platform is an environment in which a program is loaded, executed, and produce output. Okay. Now this platform can be a software only platform or can be hardware only platform or can be both. Now tell me, I am taking a computer. I am taking a computer, maybe laptop or maybe desktop, whatever. I am taking computer. So what is the computer platform? Is computer platform is only software only platform, hardware only platform, both? Both. Okay, both platform, software only and also hardware. What is the software? Operating system. What is the hardware? Processor, motherboard, processor, and hard disk. And next one is what? RAM. So all these are comes under what? Hardware. Tell me, if you just buy laptop with a processor, motherboard, hard disk, and RAM, can you start the laptop? No. To start the laptop and to run the laptop, what is required? OS. But to install and run OS, what is required? Hardware. So what is a computer platform? A computer platform is both software and hardware. Software and hardware. So now software is OS and hardware is platform. Okay, I mean processor. Now let me take another example, that is, now I am taking C++ program. What is the platform for C++ platform? Just by typing and saving C and C++, are they executed? No. We need a platform. So tell me, what is a platform more technically? A environment, a runtime environment. A runtime environment in which a program is loaded and executed and producing what? Output. Loaded, executed and producing output. Then what is this environment? Who is responsible for executing C and C++ program? Operating system. C and C++ programs are directly executed by operating system. Okay. Then next. Now tell me, I am taking Java program. Below, very important point. Java program I am taking. So tell me, like C and C++ program, will Java program directly executed by OS? Directly executed by OS? No. If Java program is directly executed by OS, then Java program become what program? Platform dependent. What is a platform? In a short form, you can say a platform is nothing but OS. A platform is nothing but operating system. If the program is directly loaded, if Java program is directly loaded and executed inside operating system, then we call it as what? Platform dependent. Java is a platform dependent or platform independent? Platform independent. Because Java is a platform independent, tell me, we need one translation software that will take Java program and execute. The translation software is nothing but JVM. What the translation software? JVM. So tell me, is Java program directly executed by OS? No. JVM is responsible for executing Java program and produce what? Output. Okay, tell me, Java program platform is JVM. Then who is the platform for JVM? Come on. Java program platform is JVM. Means JVM will run Java program. Then who will run JVM? JRE. Okay. Who will run JRE? JDK. Okay. Who will run JDK? Amma, that is the answer, Rava. Okay. JDK carry JVM, but JDK will not run JVM. JDK carry JRE, JRE will carry JVM, but JVM will not run, sorry, JDK JRE will not run JVM. Who will run JVM? Operating system. Everyone understand? So tell me, what is the platform for Java program? JVM. What is the platform for JVM? Operating system. समझ में आया? So repeat once again. What is a platform? A platform is an environment in which a program is loaded and executed and produced output. That platform can be software only platform or hardware only platform or both. A computer platform is both software and hardware platform, that is OS, processor, motherboard, hard disk and RAM. What is the platform for C and C++ program? OS. What the platform for Java program? JVM. Who is the platform for JVM? OS. Everyone connected? Shall I ask one more question? Will you show your talent? Tell me. Who is the platform for our competitor programming language Python? Python platform evaru. Who will run Python? Python program environment what? Python program is executed by OS directly? No. Python is also platform independent. Then who will run Python program? Like how Java we have JVM, like Java we are also using Python. Java in JVM, what is the first word? J stands for what? Java. For Python, first word is what? PVM. Okay, PVM. So Java program platform is JVM. Python program platform is what? PVM. PVM is responsible for running Python program. Okay, let me try to ask you one more question. Tell me, we have .NET na? C#.NET. C#.NET program executed by one environment na? Is it directly by OS? No. C#.NET program is executed by one intermediate software. What the name of this intermediate software? Show your talent. Java, JVM, Python, PVM. Come on, .NET, CVM. Huh? Excellent idea. Wonderful. It is not CVM, it is CLR. What is that? CLR. CLR stands for Common Language Runtime. What is the CLR? Common Language Runtime. Common Language Runtime is responsible to execute and produce output. Everyone understood? Still I am not satisfied. One more question I want to ask. Tell me, what is the front-end pages developed by using which language? HTML. HTML page is developed by you and saved in your computer, and it is executed by what is the environment for HTML? Is HTML program directly executed by OS? No. Again, we need one intermediate software. What is the intermediate software? Come on, you know already. Browser. Browser is responsible for executing it. Everyone understand? Except C and C++, remaining all programming languages are executed by one intermediate software. That intermediate software is technically called what? Platform. Java platform is JVM, Python platform is PVM, .NET program platform is CLR, HTML program, HTML page. HTML page, not program. HTML page platform is browser. One last question, okay? Last question. Now tell me, we have MP3 file, MP4 files, na? Where are you? MP4 file. Nothing but audio, video files are executed by OS directly? No. We need one software or not? What the software? Media player. What the media player? VLC or Windows Explorer, Windows Media Player. Something is there, right? Now, media player software required to run. So, without platform, can you run any software? No. Tell me, Rabbi, what is the platform for our classes to run? Classroom. This classroom is a platform for Java. For online classes to run, what is the platform? WebEx. Okay, olden days we use Zoom. Now we are using what? WebEx. WebEx is the platform for running our classes. If WebEx is not there, can we run the class? No. Everyone got clarity on platform? Please make a notes on these points. Interested writing notes, or shall we go next point? Next point or notes, sir? Okay, right. Your wish, choice is yours. మీరు ఏదంటే అదే ఐఆమ్ ఎట్ యువర్ సర్వీస్ నోట్స్ అంటే నోట్సే నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్ యువర్ విష్ రైట్ డిడ్ యూ రైట్ క్వశ్చన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ డిపెండెన్సీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఇండిపెండెన్సీ ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ Completed? Huh? Scroll down. Yeah, YouTube live students, you can use WebEx link given in the description to join WebEx class, so that you can directly interact with me live. Go to description. In the description, you have URL to join WebEx class. Completed? Huh? Java virtual machine. Then completed? Look at this diagram. If you like to write this diagram, just the bus, what I have explained. So better take just 2 minutes, better copy. More explanation, you will get clarity. Theory, make on. Diagram will store in your mind. So any of you interested can copy. This is a platform. The circle is a platform, which is software plus hardware platform. C++ program directly executed by OS. Java programs are executed by JVM, CLR. And Python diagram you can write by your own. Yeah, operating system is available in the computer or in the laptop. Windows is available where? In laptop only, no? Open Google Maps and type Naresh IT Amirpet. It will take you to the offline class. Okay, online students, if you want to come to offline, open Google Maps and search Naresh IT Technologies Amirpet. Completed? Now, look at this. What is this? What do you understand from this diagram? Now, show your talent. Platform dependency. This is the diagram. What is the meaning of platform? Platform is nothing but OS. OS, of course, background operating hardware devices. So, no need to consider hardware. If you say OS, that is a platform. What is this outer dabba? This is computer. The computer platform is what? Windows. Inside Windows, I have written a program. Now, in which operating system I develop this program? In Windows. Now, this program I am taking to another computer whose operating system is Windows. Is it executed in another computer in the same platform? Yes. Tell me, you are a Telugu person. From your place, Hyderabad, you come to Vijayawada, or Vijayawada to Hyderabad. And Andhra to Telangana, Telangana to Andhra, or one village to another village, one city to another city, you are going. Then when you go to another place, there that place is also Telugu place only, na? Can you speak there to the other person? Yes. But now you are going from Andhra, Telangana to Tamil Nadu, or going to Odisha, or going to Karnataka. What is your position? Can you speak there? No. Why? Because that state language is different, your language is different. Then you are state dependent or state independent? State dependent. What is the state in case of the computer platform? You are platform dependent or platform independent? Platform dependent. Okay, the program developed in one OS, if it cannot execute in different OS computer, then that program is called what? Platform dependent program. Tell me, now I am taking another computer whose operating system is what? Linux. In the Linux computer, the program is unable to execute. Then what we call it as platform dependent. I am taking another computer whose operating system is Solaris. Nowadays, Solaris operating system is gone, but in my childhood, it was there. Okay, my career started, Solaris was there. And then now here also unable to execute, in Mac OS also unable to execute. Then what we call it as platform dependent program. What are the examples of platform dependent program? C and C++ program. Tell me, C and C++ program is developed by using C and C++ language. Then C and C++ languages are called platform dependent. Tell me, what is platform independent? Now you are moving from one state to another state. That means, are you learning all different state languages? Yes, sir. When you go to Tamil Nadu, you are learning Tamil. Kannada, Karnataka, Kannada. Odisha, Odia, Maharashtra, Marathi. Before going 45 days course, you are doing. No, na? Are you learning these many languages? No. Before you are going to particular other state, there we will call for one translator, na? The person who know Telugu, Tamil, we will use him. The person who know Telugu and Odia, the person who know Telugu and Kannada, so Marathi. So we are going to particular state and we are talking in our language. He will translate our language to that state language. If I have translator, can I go from one platform to another platform? I can go from one state to another state. So tell me, I want to run this program in Windows or in Linux or in Solaris or in Mac. In any operating system, I want to execute my program. Then we call it as what? Platform independent. Then when C and C++ cannot execute in different operating system, how Java, Python can execute? Because they have translation software. What is the translation software? JVM, PVM, CLR. Look at that. What is a platform independency? A program that we develop in one operating system, if it can execute in different operating system, then we call it as platform independent program. The programming language using which we develop this program is called platform independent programming language. Now my question, if any program is directly executed by operating system, then that program is what? Platform dependent. A program that is executed by one intermediate software, then we call it as what? Platform independent. Clear my point? Right. Please make a note all these points. Small buji points. Platform independency. A program that is developed in one OS, for example, Windows, if it cannot be executed in different OS, if it cannot execute in different OS, for example, Linux or Mac, we will call this program as platform dependent program. The programming language using which we develop this program is called platform dependent programming language. YouTube live students, are you understanding what I'm saying? Any questions? Not missing. See, you become Java masters. You are correcting my mistakes also. Wow, such a nice students. You are fast learning. Completed? Okay. Diagram you want? All right. Krishna Chaitanya, is JVM part of OS? If you are installing OS, if you are installing JVM in one system, means you have to install in all systems, na? Mahima, what is your doubt? Completed? Can you rewrite the same points as a platform? Independent? Same points rewrite. In place of cannot, what will come? Can. Try. What is runtime environment? A place where our programs are executing is called runtime environment. JVM is the runtime environment for Java program. PVM is the runtime environment for Python. What is compiler? Translation software. Krishna Chaitanya, your doubt clear? Hanumantarao, you have my number, na? Send WhatsApp message. Yeah, completed? What? Did you complete diagram also? Can you write or not? You can write. This is platform dependency and this is platform independence. What is the difference? What is the difference? JVM or JVM is only the difference. Charita, Tammareddy. Did you join yesterday class or today is the first class? Okay. Currently, we are not reached up to Java software installation. Okay, we are just understanding about Java. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we will meet. We will reach. Probably by end of tomorrow class, we will come to Java software installation point. Sonu Gupta, why JVM will be part of OS? Is it part of operating system software or part of Java software? Completed? So we completed 3 points today. What are the 2 points? 3 points. What is a platform? What is a platform dependency? What is platform independency? A platform is an environment in which a program is loaded and executed. A platform can be a software only platform or hardware only platform. All programming languages platform is software only platform. Okay. Now, if a program is directly executed by OS, then we call it as platform independent programming language, dependent programming language. Please write on the conclusion. If a program or a software directly executed by OS, then this program or software is a platform dependent program and platform dependent software. If a program is executed by intermediate software like JVM, PVM, CLR, then this program is platform independent program. Yes, we can use. Completed. Who told, man? Mahesh? That's your feeling only. If you're a Python developer, you have to use PVM in the Mac. If you're a Java developer, you have to use JVM in the Mac. That's it. There is no mostly, okay? It depends. Now, recollect what we discussed. First point. What is Java? What is Java? Java is a platform independent, object oriented programming language. Why Java? For achieving platform independency, for developing internet application. Answer na my question. Why internet application required platform independence? Are you ready to analyze? Yesterday we have, this point is pending. Why Java required platform independency? Java is meant for developing what applications? Internet applications. This is what? Server compute. In server computer, I have placed a program. What is the operating system of the server computer? Generally, server computer operating system is Linux. Linux is more secured operating system, so generally people will use Linux. Don't ask me how is it, sir. I'm not network administrator. Next, network server computer is connected. Are you listening, Babu, Nana, Buji? Hello. After going to home, you can do chatting, okay? We are in the classroom, please watch. Look at the screen. Chatting, talking we'll do after going to room. This 1.5 hours, please focus in the class. Server computer has program. What program this is? This is, you want to call it as what? Internet. Internet program means, or internet application means, you are allowed to access from your computer or not? This is your client computer. Client computer has connected to the network. From the client computer, you are accessing what? This program. Now this program will be executed in the server computer, downloaded to the client computer. Downloaded to client program, downloaded to client program, downloaded to client computer, and it is executed here. Downloaded to client computer, executed here, and display the out. Everyone focus. A internet application or internet program is executed in server computer or client computer? Client computer. It should download from server computer into client computer and should execute here. Generally, client computer operating system is either Windows or Mac OS. Either Windows or Mac OS. Tell me, where you develop Java? Linux computer. Where you want to execute that program? Same operating system or different operating system? If you want to develop a program in one operating system and execute in different operating system, Java must require platform independency or not? What the purpose of, what is the need of platform independency to Java? Java meant for, Java invented for achieving platform independency. Java invented for achieving platform independency for developing internet application. Why internet application required platform independency? Internet application must be accessible throughout the world from any different computer. Can you force client system? You must have Linux computer, Linux operating system. Can you force him? No. If you force the client, you must have Linux operating system. He will say, get out, I don't require your software. That's what happened to Nokia. Once this computer world is, smart mobile world is started, Nokia has chosen Windows operating system as a mobile operating system. But customers are liking what? Android. Because Nokia is not using Android operating system, no customer like to buy it, and finally company has closed. After a few years, it come back with Android operating system. But anybody buying that mobile? No. That's very, very important. Once you lose the market, and capturing the market again back is what? Very, very difficult. So finally, what is the important point? Why internet application required platform independency? Internet application should download and execute different operating system client computers. That's why Java required platform independency. Is it clear, everyone? Shall I proceed to the next point? Right. Why C and C++ programming languages are platform dependent? Very, very important question. Very, very important. Why C and C++ programming languages are platform dependent? Why C and C++ programming languages are platform dependent? This topic I will explain you. I want you prepare the notes. Ready? From my explanation, you should prepare the notes. Okay. Tell me, I am taking C program. Little difficulty points are coming. Everyone focus. Everyone. Stop writing all notes or anything. Look at the screen. First, I am taking Windows computer. Everyone looking at the screen. Windows OS computer I am taking. In Windows operating system, I am developing a program called what? abc.java. Any name is okay. Okay. abc.java I have developed. Now, abc.java program, it is developed in operating system understandable language or in human understandable language? Who developed abc.java? You. How you know operating system language? Is my question understand? Who developed this abc.java program? You develop. In which language you develop? Your understandable language. What is your understandable language? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, letters, English letters. And 10, 20, 30 mathematical values. Plus or minus, that is what? Operators. You develop this program by using English characters, mathematical operators, mathematical value. For example, adding two numbers. What you write in maths? A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to A plus B. We develop a program in a human understandable way. But this program want to executed by human or operating system? Operating system. Then who will convert this human understandable program to the operating system understandable program? By one special software. That software name is compiler. What the software name? Compiler. What is a compiler? Compiler is a translation software. It is responsible to convert source program to compiled program. Source program means what you have written is called what? Source program. This source program is converted to compiled program. Compiled program is nothing but machine understandable. abc.obj. The compiled program in C language is abc.obj. abc.obj. Right? I repeat once again. All C, C++ developers, you developing what? abc.java. Now abc.java you are giving to whom now? Compiler. Compiler will convert this source code into machine understandable code and store it in one new file. What the extension of the? I'm sorry. I want Java file or C file? C na? Sorry. This is abc.c. Please correct my mistake. What file you have developed? abc.c. C program file you are developing. So what the C program file? abc.c. When you develop abc.c program, inside abc.c program, you have typed what? Human understandable language. Is that human understandable language understandable to the Windows operating system? No. We have to convert that human understandable language to OS understandable language. For that purpose, we are using special software called what? Compiler. Then abc.c program we given to compiler, and compiler will produce the machine understandable OS understandable code. That OS understandable code is a technically called objective code. What do we call? Objective code. That shortcut of objective is called what? OBJ. Everyone repeat once again. As a developer, what you develop? ABC.C. ABC.C program is called source code. We given to whom now? Compiler. Compiler is a software that is a translation software. It converting that program into compiled code. This compiled code contains what? Machine understandable or machine understandable? Machine understandable code. Then is this machine understandable code nothing but Windows understandable? This machine understandable code required some linking operations background. Sir, what are the linking operations? Join the C course. If you want to learn what are the linking operations, join C course. In C course, C faculty will explain. I am not C faculty. For doing the linking operations, we are using a special software called what? Linker. Then linker will generate one new file called executable file. What the file? Executable file. Executable file ready to execute to get the output, that is abc.exe. What do you call? abc.exe. Repeat once again. First, what you develop? abc.c. abc.c program is converted to what? abc.obj. abc.obj file is converted to what? abc.exe. Now we will execute this abc.exe file and finally we will get what? Output. Finally we will get out. Did you accept or understand? Come on, are you accepting or understanding? Come again, accepting or understanding? Don't understand. Understand? What is there to understand? You have to remember the names. Is there any logic? A plus B whole square, A square, B square plus 2AB. Understand by heart, remember. Remember. Okay. In C language, what I have to do? Create a program with what extension? abc.c. Then I want to run this program. Can I directly run? No. Who is the platform for abc.c? Operating system. Platform. Who is running the program? Operating system. Then operating system should understand our source code. Directly can understand or cannot understand? No. Then we have to translate into OS understandable. Further we are using translation software called what? Compiler. I will develop the source code, give it to compiler. Compiler translate into machine understandable or OS understandable. Then just OS understandable code can I directly run? No. I need to do some linking operations background. Processor level linking operations. For that machine code we are giving to linker. Linker will generate abc.exe. Then double click on abc.exe file, we will get output. Accepted? Don't understand? Accept. Somebody say, can you explain something what is happening in C language? Wow, it is very simple here. First you develop abc.c, give it to compiler. Compiler will give you abc.obj. Give it to linker, it will give you abc.exe. Double click it, output will come. Then what is the terminology we have here? abc.c is called what? Source code. abc.obj is called what? abc.obj is called what? Compiled code. abc.exe file is called what? Executable code. Executable code. Okay na? Accepted? Pakka? Shall I go next point? Tell me, what is the platform dependency? Why you are seeing my face? What is the platform dependency? The program we developed and compiled in one OS, if it cannot executed in another OS, and I should take another computer or not? Take another computer whose operating system is Linux OS. What is my job here? I should again develop the programmer? No. Already I developed. Already I compiled. Already I have compiled the program. You will execute source code, you will execute compiled code. Execute compiled code. You will execute compiled code. Then this abc.obj file I am taking to Linux computer to execute. Is it possible or not possible? Not possible. Okay. Then how can I execute, sir? You cannot take compiled code. You have to take what? Source code. Online students, stop asking questions. Please follow me. You keep on asking questions. Who will listen, man? If I use a word called, if I speak a letter called A, then you write, what is A? If I write A, B, C, what is A, B, C? Why you written first A? Why you written now A, B, C? You keep on typing questions. When you understand what I am saying, that is a bad way of learning, attending the classes. First, let me complete full discussion. If your doubts are not clear by end of the discussion, then you can ask. Did I ask you, ask any doubts you have? No, no. Then wait, Baba, wait. Let me complete first explanation. Krishna Chaitanya, in your house, can you see bedroom, bathroom, washroom? Are they separately there or as a one room there? You are too much questioning yourself. Clearly I am writing, I develop abc.c. Compiler generating and creating new file abc.obj. We are giving to linker creating one new file called abc.txt. I keep on talking, new file, new file, new file. Again you are putting a question, sir, new file created, can I see? That's what you guys are not listening what I am saying. You are in a mode of only questioning. Stop questioning, focus on listening, focus on understand. Online students, everyone ready? Tell me, can I take abc.obj compiled code to the Linux computer? No. What I have to do? I have to take source code, copy pasting, okay? Then what should I do the source code? Again, I have to give it to compiler. Come on, Krishna Chaitanya, speak. Don't use hands. You are using hands, not using brain. Use hands. Chache, don't use hands. Speak out. Only use mouth. Tell me. Compiler software generates what? abc.obj. abc.obj contain directly executable code? No. For that we have to give it to whom now? Linker. Then what linker is doing? Linker will be generates what? Executable code. That executable code we will run and will get out. Tell me. The executable code in Linux computer is not exe. In Linux computer, executable file is abc.bin. Now Krishna Chaitanya asks, why bin, sir? This Windows operating system extension is exe. Linux computer executable file extension is what? .bin. For showing the difference between Windows and Linux, they are maintaining different extensions. Then why not C, sir? Why not OBJ, sir? Because these are not executable files. These are the program files. Okay, who are the executable files? These are the executable. Executable file extensions will be changing from one OS to another OS. Everyone got clarity? Shall I ask the next question? Tell me, what is platform dependency? The program we developed in one OS compiled in one OS if it cannot be executed in another OS? Who is another OS? Come on, yeah. Mac OS. Then tell me, can I take abc.obj file to here? No. Then what to do? Again, same story. What the same story? Carry source code from Linux computer to here. Come on, source code. Can I copy this entire thing at once? Same process you have to repeat here also. Here also abc.obj. But what is the executable file extension in the Mac? It is DMG. Sir, what is the full form of DMG? I also don't know. Search in the Google and let me know tomorrow. exe means what? Executable. Bin means what? Binary. DMG and doing. Okay. DMG. Okay. What? Doing ING na, not IMG na. Find out the abbreviation of DMG and let me know tomorrow. Finally, tell me, what is happening in the C language? This is what happening in the C language. First, you should, if you understand the background process of C language, then you can easily find out why C and C++ programs are platform dependent. In place of extension C, what will be there? CPP. CPP and C both are same. abc.c given to compiler, compiler generate compiled code and save in a new file called abc.obj. abc.obj compiled code given to linker background doing some processor level linkings, and then created a new file called executable file called exe. In Windows operating system, extension is exe. In Linux computer, extension is bin. In Mac OS, extension is DMG. All you people accepted? Understanding? Hey, no, don't try to understand, only accept. If you start understanding, so many pitch questions will come. Understand, unnecessary, useless questions will come to your brain. And finally, you don't remember the diagram first. That's why don't. Tell me everyone, A for apple. What do you understand? Try A for apple? No. In childhood, teacher told A for apple. Okay, teacher, A for apple. Here also, this is a diagram. Now, look at the diagram. I am asking question, answer. You are in the interview room, I am the interviewer. You are the candidate. Why C and C++ programs are platform dependent? Correct? Because their compiled program cannot be executed in different operating system. Okay. Why C and C++ compiled program abc.obj cannot execute in different operating system? Because C and C++ program platform dependent. Come again? What is why C and C++ program platform dependent? Because they cannot execute in different operating system. Why they cannot execute in different operating system? Because platform dependent. Why platform dependent? Because they cannot execute in different operating system. Why they cannot execute in different operating system? Excellent. Because they cannot execute, because they are platform dependent. Why platform dependent? Cinema dialogue Akis Park, Pakis Kare Park. This question I have asked in my interview panel, the candidate. One student came, I asked, Arey, tell me why C and C++ programs are platform dependent? They cannot execute in different operating systems, sir. That's why they're platform dependent. Why they cannot execute in different operating system? Platform dependent, na? Adira, why platform dependent? Cannot execute, right? Adira, why cannot? Platform dependent. So, that day I really enjoyed the question and answers of that student. Then finally I asked one question. Okay, 1 minute, ruko. Why C and C++ programs are platform dependent and why they cannot execute it in different operating system? He looked at my face very seriously and told, my sir not explained. Okay, so that day was really enjoying. My sir not explained. I don't. My sir told only one thing. What is that? C and C++ programs are platform dependent because they cannot execute in another OS. Good point. But you have to realize, you have to analyze. Sir explained or not explained? In textbook point is there, not there? In website or YouTube, this point covered or not covered? If you are a student, my sir not covered out of syllabus and okay, accepted. But you want to be a software engineer. Being a software engineer, when a question is coming in front of you, analyze that question, try to derive the answer. Don't depend on any person. Even in the future, some points I may not cover, I may not talk, I may not explain. But in the interview room, can you say, Krishna not covered that point, I cannot answer? You should analyze in the interview room live. Okay, let us analyze. Look at the carefully. Now abc.c program we given to compiler. Compiler has generated compiled code. That compiled code unable to execute by Linux. Why? Because the code available inside abc.obj not understandable to Linux. అందరికి అర్థమైందా ఏం చెప్తున్నాను? ఏం చెప్పాను? abc.c ప్రోగ్రాంలో ఉన్న సోర్స్ కోడ్ కంపైలర్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేసింది? మెషిన్ యొక్క కోడ్గా కన్వర్ట్ చేసింది. కన్వర్ట్ చేసిన కోడ్ని ఎవరికి ఇచ్చాము? లినక్స్కి ఇచ్చాం. లినక్స్ కదా అర్థమైందా, అర్థం కాలేదా? ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్లో చెప్పాను? ఇన్ విచ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్? తెలుగు. హిందీ పీపుల్, డిడ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్? ఐ స్పోక్ విండోస్ లాంగ్వేజ్. అర్థమైందా? I spoke whose language? Windows operating system language. That is not understandable to Hindi people, Linux operating system people. What is Windows language? Telugu. What is Linux language? Hindi. What is a Mac language? Marathi. Something, okay? So tell me, how one operating system language understandable to another operating system? No. That's why they are not executed. Everyone understand now? If interviewer ask a question, what is that? Why C and C++ programs are platform dependent? Why can't they execute in another operating system? When we compile C program, the compiled code contains the current operating system specific machine language, whose format is not understandable to another operating system. Hence, one computer, one operating system compiled code is not understandable to another operating system. Hence, Java program is a platform dependent. Sorry, C program is a platform dependent. Everyone understand? Come on. Try to recollect once again what statement I told. When you compile C program, the C program compiled code contains directly what? Directly contains what? Machine language of whose operating system? Current operating system. What is that? Windows. This Windows operating system machine language not understood to Linux. Then what I have to do? Take C program from that Windows to Linux. Again what you do? Compile. Now compiler software will generate abc.obj contains again what here? Machine language. Machine language of whose operating system? Linux operating system. Okay, Linux operating machine language can understandable to Mac? No. Then what to do? Take the source code, give it to whom now? Compiler. Compiler generates what? abc.obj. abc.obj file will generate what? Machine language of what? Mac operating system. Tell me, now this machine language of Mac, can I take to the Windows and execute? Not possible. So final conclusion, tell me, why C and C++ programs platform dependent? Because C and C++ programs are compiled targeting to one operating system. Its compiled code contains directly machine language of one particular operating system whose format is not understandable to another operating system. Hence, C program compiled in one OS cannot execute in another OS. Now, after seeing this statement, you will ask me question, sir, Windows operating system also contains what? Machine language. Linux also contains what? Machine language. Mac also contains what? Machine language. Machine language, same na? Good question you ask. Let me ask one statement here. This is my United Andhra Pradesh. My United Andhra Pradesh before division. Okay. Now in United Andhra Pradesh we have several parts are there. What is that? This is Rayalaseema. This is Telangana, and this is what? Rayalaseema. This is what? Costa Andhra. This is what? West Godavari, East Godavari. What do you call it? Srikakulam. All the divisions are there. So what is the common language of our Andhra Telangana state? Telugu. Tell me, the Telugu speaking slang in Telangana, Rayalaseema, Andhra, Rayalaseema, I mean, what do you call Vizianagaram, Vizag, East and West Godavari, same are changing. Changing. Slang is changing, words meaning is changing. If you go from one region to another region to understand Telugu, understand that meaning, it takes a lot of time. Like Telugu, all operating systems machine language is what? Same. Machine language is nothing but what, Nana? Zeros and ones. Zeros and ones. Machine language fully formed with what? 0 and 1. So the entire C program is organized as zeros and ones. Tell me, the entire program zeros and ones placing with some separators, with some line terminators, some format will be there, na? That format is not same from one operating system to another operating system. Hence, the machine language of one operating system is not understood to another operating system. Everyone got clarity of what I am talking? So finally tell me, by seeing this diagram, can you please speak one more time? Why C and C++ programs are platform dependent? Because the C and C++ program compiled targeting to one operating system. So the compiled code contain directly machine language of particular OS whose format is not understandable to another operating system. Hence it cannot execute in another OS. Hence it is a platform dependent. If you are able to explain this statement to the interviewer, if they ask, super, you will felt very nice. 100% guarantee no one will ask these questions because these are all old points, but still you must know these points. Otherwise, next going on Java points, you cannot enjoy. So these are all the base points for what? Java language to learn. Okay, clarity is very important. Please write down. Check very important points. Thank you, Krishna Chaitanya. YouTube live attending students. Everyone understood what I explained up to now? I'm checking your live chat. If you have any questions, you can ask there. Online students attending in WebEx. Apple Disk Imager, DMG full form. Thank you. Srivastav. Thank you, Yogesh. Guys, YouTube live attending students, you can use the link available in the description to come to WebEx. What is the use of changing processor versions? For better performance, fast execution. Why you are changing your vehicle? Why you are updating your mobile apps? For better fast execution, better performance. Completed? Huh? Shall you write diagram? Diagram is very important. Now tell me, theory-based language good or diagrammatic-based good? Diagrammatic is good. So once you see diagram, automatically you can prepare your own flow. This is my English. My English dictation I am giving. You can convert to your English. But the point should be covered same. Okay? There is no rule that you must speak only the statements I am saying. If you speak the statements I am saying, advantage is, if interviewer is HK product, he will get job easily. Okay, last 20 years I'm teaching Java. Definitely in every company, the interview panel candidate will be definitely my student. Pakka. Out of 3 people, one student will be, one interviewer will be my student. When you are speaking my terms, he will connect it and immediately will say, hey, HK, you are HK product, I am HK product. As a direct appointment letter he will give. Completed? Did you all understand diagram? So today I'm stopping session here. It's sufficient for today. Tomorrow we are learning how Java achieved platform independency. Already understand why Java required platform independency, and we will understand how Java achieved platform independency. Direct statement, Java achieved platform independency by using JVM. How JVM helped Java achieved platform independency, and why the same JVM cannot be used for C or C++ to make them platform independent. We will understand tomorrow. So by end of tomorrow class, you will get full clarity on previous languages and Java language, and we are moving to install JDK software. Tomorrow Thursday, na? Okay. So Friday, we will learn the first application development, Hello World. Hello World. Okay. So don't miss next coming 3 classes. As I promised you, by Saturday completed, I will make you the complete Java basics understandable programmer. Samajh mein aaya? Up to Saturday, you should give me time. 1 or 2 points are bouncing, no problem. Let them go. Okay. By Saturday completed, I will see that 100% every student will understand program writing, compilation, execution. Not only that, if any errors are coming from the program, you yourself can solve the errors. You will not depend on me. You will not depend on lab coordinator. You will not wait for anybody. You yourself is the lab coordinator for solving your errors coming from you. You will not no need to go to lab. You will use your laptop to develop the programs. Clear my point? Generally, my students never go to lab. If my students are going to lab, then in the lab, my students never take the help of the lab coordinators. And sometimes my students will work as a lab coordinator to other students. Because you are becoming the complete understand line by line, syntax also understanding clearly like a compiler. Give me up to Saturday, and requesting you all don't miss next coming 3 classes. Even though outside huge rain is there, swim and come. Understand? Huh? Swim and come with 1 pair of clothes. You have washrooms, go there and change the clothes and come. But don't miss next coming 3 classes, very important. Thank you. Good night. If you have any questions, you can stay, otherwise you can leave. Online students, if you have any questions, ask, otherwise you can leave. Java and OOP through Java are different. Chaitanya, Telugu from Telugu states, different. When is Dasra holidays? Vamsi, just course started, you are asking for holidays. What is this, man? Executable code is the code that we can run to get output. It contains machine language code and processor linking code. Open Naresh IT YouTube channel, you will find there previous 4 classes videos, including notes. మొత్తం చెప్తాను. Java, OOPs through Java, logical programming using Java, Java library, మొత్తం చెప్తాను. నేర్పిస్తాను. ఎలా ఆలోచించాలి, ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏంటి, సెకండ్ స్టెప్ ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ వేరియబుల్ రాయాలా, మెథడ్ రాయాలా, ఇఫ్ రాయాలా, ఫర్ రాయాలా, లెస్ దాన్ వాడాలా, గ్రేటర్ దాన్ వాడాలా, అన్ని చెప్తాను. హ్యాకర్ ర్యాంక్లో క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. కరెక్ట్, నేను నేర్పిస్తాను. డోంట్. Yes, correct. Web browser is an executable code. Vamsi, We don't provide real-time project. We will provide real-time projects, scenario-based code. Okay, na? Real-time project, scenario-based code. Because real-time project means it takes 2 years to 3 years to develop. Can we? That real-time project can be developed as part of the course. That much big project. Real-time project, scenario-based codes we will cover. So by end of the course, you will understand everything what is happening in the projects, and you can handle any project easily. One complete end-to-end development and flow we will show you. You can say one module in the project. Okay. Thank you guys. That's all for today class. Good night everyone. See you all tomorrow.